Everybody are here sounds wrong, right? The correct sentence is, everybody is here. Today, we'll learn an important rule, indefinite singular pronouns. Trust me, this is one grammar mistake you don't want to make. Indefinite singular pronouns are words like anybody, everyone, nothing. Even though they talk about people or things in general, they are always singular. For example, can anybody help me? Everyone enjoys the party. There's nothing in the box. Notice how we use singular verbs like is, was, enjoys, has. Here are more examples. I don't want anything to eat. Each student gets a prize. Someone is at the door. See? Even though it feels like we are talking about many, the grammar is singular. Now let's fix the most common mistake. Everybody say it. Incorrect. Everybody says it. Correct. Remember, if it ends in body, one, or thing, it always takes a singular verb. So now you know. Indefinite singular pronouns may look like plural, but they always act singular in grammar. Practice these examples, and you'll never get it wrong again. If this lesson helped, hit like, share with friends, and subscribe for more easy English tips.